The 2026 Toyota Hilux has arrived in Australia and New Zealand with a major update and strong new safety results under the latest 2023 to 2025 ANCAP protocols. The Hilux scored impressive ratings across all categories. 84% adult occupant protection, 89% child occupant protection, 82% vulnerable road user protection, and 82% safety assist. In crash testing, the Hilux showed a stable cabin structure, delivering good protection for most critical body areas in both the frontal and side impact tests. The model also includes a center airbag, designed to reduce head injuries between the front occupants during side collisions, earning high scores in far side impact tests. Child safety performance is excellent, with maximum points in frontal and side crash tests. Dual cab models offer ISOFIX and top tether anchor points, along with a standard child presence detection alert, a feature designed to warn the driver if a child might be left inside the vehicle. The Hilux is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including autonomous emergency braking capable of detecting cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. The system performed strongly across almost all scenarios, including turning, junction crossing, and head-on situations. Lane keep assist, emergency lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and intelligent adaptive cruise control are also standard. In vulnerable road user tests, the Hilux delivered good protection for the legs and pelvis of pedestrians, and the AEB system helped avoid or mitigate collisions in most real-world scenarios. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Hilux stands out with one of the strongest safety packages in its class, offering excellent crash protection and advanced driver assistance features designed to protect both occupants and other road users.